case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2007, the United States District Court for the District of Columbia heard the case Sigmund v. Starwood Urban Investment, focusing on whether someone could be held responsible for injuries caused by a crime if they should have been able to anticipate the crime might happen. Donald Wright Sigmund was injured by a homemade pipe bomb planted in a parking garage beneath his father's office building in Washington, D.C. by his half-brother, who was later convicted and sentenced for the crime. Sigmund filed a lawsuit against the property owner, property manager, operators, and security entity, alleging negligence and gross negligence that led to his injuries. The defendants argued that the bombing was not foreseeable, and that Sigmund had failed to establish a national standard of care breach. The court ruled in their favor, stating that Sigmund could not prove a heightened level of foreseeability required for this type of injury caused by a third-party criminal act. The case was dismissed with prejudice, and the property owner's motions for summary judgment were granted, as the bombing was legally unforeseeable, and the property owners were not liable for Sigmund's injuries.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.